So here's the conditions of the creek. Sorry, creek. After the wonderful rain and ice and snow. Well, I'm not even going to call it snow. There's just enough to give a light dusting over everything. Yeah. Water levels came up a foot at least on any moving water. Good 6 to 8 inches on still water. But yeah, like we've got open water all across the creek here now, or all through the creek. All up through there is all open. It melted off most of the ice. Nice big giant opening there. This is normally where I cross, and on a normal year I'm already able to safely cross the creek. Not happening. There's no place safe on this water right now. Moved down by the falls here now, and I'll show you what's going on over there too. It's gotten pretty rough. Here's how things are looking at the falls. Alex, you stay away from there. Come here. Pretty nasty. Pretty damn dangerous too. And this is what happens. Yeah. This is what happens after 36 hours during January of rain, freezing rain, and then this nice little thin layer of snow, and then nice cold temperatures. There's that framework for my bridge across Beverly Creek. Yeah. Yesterday, this was like yesterday morning, this was a little channel, a couple feet deep. And about 4 or 5 feet across at the water level. You've seen it in a few videos. Yeah. I can't say on camera what I'm thinking. Oh well. We'll have to work on another way around. I got traps to check out the front way here.